Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pudding out of paper. First, select your paper. You can use anything from colorful construction paper to recycled newspaper. Next, shred your chosen paper into tiny, consistent pieces. This step is crucial for achieving a smooth texture. Finally, prepare a safe, water-based adhesive. This will act as the binding agent for your unique paper creation. Now let's create the paper pulp. Submerge your shredded paper in warm water, allowing it to soak thoroughly until it's completely saturated. Then, combine the wet paper with your prepared adhesive in a blender. Mix until you achieve a thick, consistent pulp. The goal is a smooth mixture, entirely free of any large lumps, ensuring a uniform texture for your paper pudding base.
Hey everyone, quick break. If you're enjoying this creative journey, please hit that like button and subscribe for more unique content. On another note, while this paper pudding isn't edible, you can make real meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for your actual food. Find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Next, it's time to add some flair. Introduce non-toxic food coloring to your paper pulp to achieve any desired vibrant hue. For a pleasant aroma, carefully add a few drops of food-grade essential oils. Finally, mix in some small, edible sprinkles or glitter. This step adds a decorative touch, making your unique paper pudding visually appealing and fun, even if it's not for eating. Now for the final touches. Carefully pour your flavored paper pulp into small, decorative molds or individual serving dishes. This will give your creation its desired shape. Allow the paper pudding to air dry completely. This might take several hours or even overnight, depending on thickness. Once fully dry, gently remove your firm paper pudding from its molds, ready for display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.